All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a bundle product. So this is going to allow you to sell a collection of products all as one item. So what I've done is added a few different items to our product catalog here. And we're going to create a bundle product that is then going to sell items that we already have on our shelf here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use our Dogbox subscription for this example. So the Dogbox subscription is going to sell a collection of items from the existing catalog. So if we come here to our Dogbox subscription and we come here to our advanced settings and we enable the bundle option, we can scroll down and it's going to ask us to now sell our products together in a bundle, and we can start adding our products. So I'm going to add my first product, and we're going to add some dog biscuits, and we're going to hit save. All right, so that is the price and the total value of this bundle. Let's go ahead and add another product. It's going to be the dog collar, and let's add a few more items, the dog leash and our dog toy. So maybe we've created like a little dog starter kit. You've just got a puppy and here's a bunch of stuff. So you can just buy it all as a bundle, and there you go. It's going to give you the total value of this bundle, and then you can go ahead and adjust your pricing accordingly. So $25 for $174 worth of stuff, very good deal. So once you have done all of that, you can go ahead and hit save. So now you've created your bundle product, and when someone purchases this bundle product, they're going to pay the bundle price, and the system is going to select the items from the bundle from our actual catalog here, and then they're going to be put through the order process. So that is how you can create bundle products. You can, of course, bundle digital products like courses and programs and digital downloads. And of course, you can do the same thing with physical products like I just displayed. Obviously, when you do it with physical products, there's going to be a whole picking and packing process that goes with it. Whereas with digital products, it will just be once off, one and done. So now that you have set up your bundle products, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up warehouses and manage inventory of physical stock. I'll see you there.